Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about this platform, the Lash launch. Okay, so you should go with this brand or not, and what are the major problems of this brand. So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you they have like different kinds of plans, like you can take your personal appointment, and they can provide you different kinds of membership plans. Like you can see over here, they have a classic, hybrid, volume and mega volume types of plan. And when you can say like purchase their subscription, you have like lots of choice, and you will also get some kind of benefits related to your salon, you can say like products and services. 10% on all services and 10% on all product. You will get lots of benefits after getting subscription. So you should buy or not. Is this brand legit or not? Yes, my dear friend, this is a 100% legit brand, and there is no issue. But the thing is like only that is like subscription model. If you are going to purchase any subscription on this platform, you have to cancel your subscription with providing a 30 days notice period. You cannot cancel your subscription like without providing notice period. If you think then you are going to cancel your subscription instantly, it's impossible. So this is the only problem. Otherwise each and everything is looking good. Their services, their products, each and everything is looking very unique, and you can take an appointment and you can book your appointment. And they have like different kinds of, you can say like products, and they are also available in different kinds of locations. So you can choose your location and you can get the benefits. Okay, they are available on most of the, uh, you can say like they are available all over, you can say like on internet, all over your country, nearby, you can say like nearby cities also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.